Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Pepe update today. Pepe is doing magnificently well, and one thing that bothers me is Pepe in the mode of coming down for the retest or not? You know, we could still see a retest. Whenever you break above something, we might just see a retest. It's not guaranteed, but in most cases, retests may happen, and if it does happen, it's normal. Otherwise, we have the EMAs to save the day. So previously, we try to touch the 10 EMA here, and then you kind of wanted to bounce above the 10 and continue to go to the upside. So if the EMAs can be the superheroes, then let them be the superheroes. Otherwise, if you notice, coming down will actually result to go down to the 55, down to the trend line, and retest, and then finally try to go back up once again as well. So if Bitcoin can save the day, I think that Bitcoin is also pretty much in the mood of making it up to maybe $68,000. Well, if it does push up to $68,000, then we may see, Pepe having itself saved by this 10 EMA and try to continue to go to the upside. So one more time, okay, it's a very simple thing. Hopefully we get to see Pepe back up to the all-time high, but the thing is that it could be that we go for the retest before going up, or if you end up coming down and down and down 7441, that is of course the worst case scenario. Anything doing this is still fine. Doing this also where you bounce off the EMA and go up, that's also still another thing to consider. Perhaps one can say that there's a little bit of a pattern here as well, and if I try to take in a trend line like this, then this can also be some sort of a pattern that's breaking out of, and you can see there's a little bit of that resistance and a drop down, a break, and maybe this is just a small retest right over here. And if you end up retesting this successfully, then you may see a technical target from there to there, and we may actually go even up to probably 18,000, of course. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.